we will see in this lecture that how to create a particular contact management system. The first task will be to label some of the columns. Firstly, we will label some columns that we are asking for: the email ID, for the date of birth, for the company name, for the phone, and for the full name of the owner. It is the first task you have to do. Another one is you can manually enter your data or you can import your data. Just simply typing, you can enter the data, or you can also import your data by using the forms, as we have discussed in the earlier chapters. You can also name your data ranges, like if you're having the phone and the full name, what you have to do is you just click the option given to you is define name range. You just right click here and you're having the option here, define name range. It is going to ask you what name range you want to define it. It is the personal info. It is giving you the cell range, the column range, that is E1 to F1. You just press it, done. Specific range name is not valid. Okay, you just now. So these two columns will be named as the sheet 2 E1 to F1. It is the personal info. It is for the easiness of you to work in the particular range of the cells. You can also name these three columns as well. You can do the company info or you can do the business info, whatever you want to do. So these are the things which you have to do while you are entering your data or while you are going to make any new form or the management system. You just follow these basic steps. Further, we will use the formulas for manipulating a data. We will do it in the next lecture. Thank you.